When we talk about Botox, even if you're new to it, if you've been doing it for a while, there's so many places we can inject. There's so many uses for it. So I highly recommend if you're interested, coming in for a consult, we can talk through things. Don't even have to inject that day. We can just see where your comfort is. But Botox as a whole is a neurotoxin, so it helps relax the muscles in your face that can help smooth the wrinkles. Multiple areas we can treat, but the most common would be the forehead, the 11s, which is right in this area. We can do crow's feet. We can do your nose. You can actually do lower face Botox, which is really big right now, which helps slim and smooth the jawline. And then master Botox is another common place we do that can help with TMJ pain and facial slimming. And those are just some of the most common areas. With Botox, what we do is we typically do the consult. Then after injection, we would schedule a 2-week follow-up appointment. We do that appointment just to make sure that if there's any tweaks or any areas that we need to add more units to, that we have the ability to do so. And then from there, we would typically see patients every 3 months, depending on how long the Botox lasts for you. And then we do recommend planning ahead of time. So if you have life events or special occasions, you don't want to make sure you give yourself at least 2 weeks, but preferably 4 weeks, so that we have time for that check-in and then adjustments. And then the Botox usually peaks around that 2-week mark. Post-care for Botox, a big thing we want to make sure is avoid any strenuous activity for 24 hours. If you know you are prone to bruising pre-Botox, you can always take some arnica or avoid drinking alcohol prior. In addition to aftercare, you want to make sure you avoid putting anything tight on your face, like a baseball cap or anything like that, or laying flat for at least 4 hours after the procedure. If you're interested in Botox or just want to learn more, I recommend booking a consult. It's free for you. If you decide to inject that day, we can do it the same day. If not, we can always schedule a follow-up to go from there.